I love it. I love it. No complaints, but self-explanatory. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Eco Styler versus the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Me, and they are both the flaxseed recipe. I'm going to be doing the Eco Styler on your left, and I'm going to be doing the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed on the right. I'm doing this on a dry stretch out that I've done, and I've just trimmed my hair, so it feels really nice. I'm just wetting it here with some warm water, and just to get it moist. I don't really care if it's wet or dry at this point. I just want to see which one is going to do better for my hair. I'm using Texture ID, y'all. I love this product. It works so well for me. Like, the curls will immediately start to revert as soon as the moisture hits. So I'm using that as my leave-in, and I'm basically going to get to work on it, detangle it a bit, and then I'm going to start straightening in smaller sections though, with the Eco Styler on this particular side. So I finished the Eco Styler side, and I'm going to go ahead and start on the Aunt Jackie's side. It's very self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk your ear off, but please take this time to go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on this video and let me know which side you think won this challenge. Let's go. I have just finished this side and this side as well. Your right, my left is the Aunt Jaxie Flaxseed recipe, Don't Shrink Me. I'm sorry, Don't Shrink. And on the right side, your left, is the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil. This side does look elongated, even though I wasn't doing it for the elongation. It's a nice little plus, but they are just finished, so I need to let them dry a bit, and I will be back as soon as they dry for a couple of hours, or when they're about 90%. So here we go. Okay, so I am back, and this is how my hair came out. Both sides are amazing. So we're going to talk about each side separately so that you can understand what happened here, because I am stoked at how this. So first we're going to be talking about the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. I think I paid $7.99 here at Marshall's, and it is the flaxseed recipe. The curls are great. I can say that it is a bit more elongated than the other side with the Eco. Also, the curls did not clump as much as the Eco style side, but it gave me a crazy fullness that I actually like, with little to no frizz. Do you see how full that is compared to this side? So, and the smell of this is amazing. It's freaking amazing. I could say that I love this product. This product went on great. It worked out great. I can't complain. It's very soft. It's not a hard hold. I would say that this will last me maybe 3 days before I would really have to change my style. The fullness is amazing, y'all. Like, for me to have fine hair, the fullness is amazing. So I would definitely trust this above the Eco for this particular situation. But it did everything it said it would do. It's very soft and conditioned, but it does have a bit of a hold. Yeah. What else can I say? I love it. I love it. I love it. So this was my Eco Styler side, which is the Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed. It did give me a firmer hold. I wouldn't call it a max hold, but it is a firmer hold. And my curls are very defined, which I love. However, it just did not give me the fullness that I would have liked. It just gives it dies quick. My let's see, I blew it out, and these are my results. And I actually picked it as well on both sides, just to kind of round it out and give me more volume. And it is elongated, but not as well as the Aunt Jackie. So I think this is my favorite for some hairdos, but I would reach for the Aunt Jackie. So the Eco is 32 ounces, and it cost me about $4. Whereas the Aunt Jackie's is 18 ounces, and it cost me $7.99 from Marshall's. I would pay the $7.99 if I want this volume like it is now. And like I said, I did stretch it, I diffused it on medium heat, and I did pick it a bit, but this falls right back every time, whereas this, I'm having to shape it and fix it and make it a little round. And you see it's a little flat, which is, I have more volume over here, which I love. But this side, I think day 2, day 3 will be amazing for me. And I think I can make it a full week with this side. So, you know, choose your battles. Right now, I am going to say for day 1 hair, if I had to have the fullness on day 1, I would reach on Jackie's, hands down. I guess, I mean, that answers it. That's all I can say. I'm happy with my wash and go. I am going to style it. I think that the Eco is still bae. It's still gonna, you know, do what it needs to do for the next 5 to 7 days, depending on how long I keep it. But I love it. I love it. No complaints. Again, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. In the meantime, I'll see you in between time. Bye.